It's hard to believe, people, the moon landing 50 years ago. And Dairy Queen is celebrating with the Gravity Zero Blizzard.
Can I take your order?
I need a small zero gravity blizzard.
Anything else?
That'll be all.
Drive-thru.
No enthusiasm there, people. None at all. Zero gravity. Hello.
Good day.
Well, thank you. Galaxy Blizzard, people, check that out. Nice, small, and petite, just like the ex-wife. Looks like it's time to hit the music. Well, hello there, guys, girls, and of course, non-binary people. It's Reed here yet again. Now, people, of course, with us in the back, we have the box back there as the sidekick. We also have everybody's favorite ass, that's AAAS, JW. We got Alexa. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you.
Well, anyway, guys, it looks like it's that time. It's time for yet another exciting, insane, super official, thought-provoking, straight-edge food product review for YouTube's only true 365 day a year food product reviewer. We have the Galaxy Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Got it for $4.12. Not a bad price at all. I expected it to be around $5. So $4. Not bad for a small. It's actually outrageous. It really is. But this is the Galaxy Blizzard celebrating the moon landing 50 years ago. Alexa, when was the moon landing? 69? 68?
Apollo 11,
68.
the first manned mission to land on the moon, landed on July 20th, 1969.
69?
During this mission, American
69?
astronaut Neil Armstrong
Oh my
and Buzz Aldrin
God.
became,
Alexa.
respectively,
69. Wow. Just like the night I walked in on the ex-wife, people. They were 69 in each other. She was gagging on 12-inch BBC, and he was sticking his tongue through her pumpkin patch. Anyway, guys, we're going to give this a review and see just what it's all about. And as always, remember, if you have anything like to read the box, and of course Alexa here to review, you gotta leave a comment below. If we like to comment, pick up that comment and review request next. Thumbnail from a galaxy far, far away. Alrighty, guys, let's get right to it, as 69 will continue to haunt this show from now on. Wow. Ugh. It's got those sprinkles in it. Wow. That is a good blizzard. It's got those Oreo cookies in it. That's what really I liked about it, people. When I drove around looking at the item, I saw it had the Oreos with it. That's good. The ice cream's got a nice flavor to it. It's different. How would I explain it? Like a berry flavor? That's nice. That's very good. No better time, people. You got 4th of July coming up. The moon landing. Celebrating the moon landing. Everything, people. It's just great to be an American in the greatest country in the world. Now, the sprinkles have a lot of different flavors going on. They're very good. I just love the color of this. The blue color. Absolutely a beautiful thing to look at. Just looking at the blizzard, people, makes you proud to be an American. You know you're in America when you've got this much sugar in your body right now, and you don't care. You know you're an American, and you're born in the greatest country in the world. Man, what a blessing. Look at that. Wow. Let's see, people. Let's see just what is on this blizzard. Let's see. Zero gravity blizzard. Let's see if it tells what's on it. DQ is partnered with Oreo, of course, to kick off the party this week. We got marshmallow cookies. No, that's wrong. That's wrong. Here we go. Oreo cookie pieces, sparkle cosmic swirls, and sweet cotton candy toppings blended with our famous soft serve and topped with colorful sprinkles. Oh God, look. Oh, it's so amazing. It's awesome. Oh my God, that's amazing. I love that. God, I love food coloring. I like how it won't come off my lip. I got it right through here, right through there, right here. Wow. Now, is it the best blizzard ever, people? No, it's not. But it's good. It's original. It's beautiful to look at. Almost got choked. That's almost got choked. I did get choked a little bit. It was like a delayed reaction. Wow. I don't know how the ex-wife does it, man. She can take down 12 inches that round and don't even have a gag reflex. Anyway, guys, it's not the best blizzard ever, but it's good. It's neat. I love the Oreos. You cannot go wrong with Oreos, as we all know. 4 stars for the zero gravity blizzard from Dairy Queen. Another must-buy for the summer. That's going to be the official review, people. As always, thank you so much for watching, and give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel out a lot. And I want to thank you guys, as always, for watching the show. Yeah. We're going to see you guys always tomorrow. We do it 365 days a year. Toodles! Man. It's hot, but is it too hot? I don't know. Have to take a bigger sip. Test your heat tolerance. Real Carolina Reaper peppers. Alexa, what is the hottest pepper?
The hottest chili pepper is Carolina Reaper.
It's definitely a little hot. Uh-oh. You're getting old. It's hard to believe, people. It's hard to believe, people. The moon landed 50 years ago. And Dairy Queen is celebrating with the Gravity Zero blizzard.
Can I take your order?
I need a small zero gravity blizzard.
Anything else?
That'll be all.
Drive around.
No enthusiasm there, people. None at all. Zero gravity. And we got 2 cars in front of us, so while we're waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and we'll see how much money I've got in my pocket while we're waiting. Let's see what we got. We got 20, 30, 50. We got 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. We got $61. That might be enough to buy a Blizzard. It might be, because Blizzards, as we all know, they continue to go up in price. I bet this right here will be close to $5 for a small Blizzard. So, what if it's over 5? We'll see. Yeah, pretty interesting though, the zero gravity Blizzard. My prediction is going to be I'm going to say $469 in honor of the ex-wife. We'll go $469. Would not be surprised if it's, it'll be very close to $5. But the girl that took the order, you could clearly hear in her voice, no enthusiasm, not excited. You know, that's one of the big problems with fast food workers. I can understand that. You know, they're not making a lot of money. It's nonstop. My sister, when she worked fast food, she told me it was the worst job she ever had because it's just nonstop. You know, just going. And the thing is, the people's not making a lot of money, so they're not motivated. They don't feel like they're getting what they're worth. If that makes sense. You know, you work all day and make what? Maybe $40. The minimum wage is at $40. You don't even work full time usually when you're fast food, I guess. That's how it works. I mean, it's just hard to get motivated, people. So, but that's, you know, always been fast food's biggest problem, and that's why fast food's cheap. So, so we're just sitting here waiting for the order to go through. I mean, this gives you an idea of how long it actually is to go through a Dairy Queen. Every one I go through, it's like a 5-minute wait usually. Maybe not. Maybe McDonald's, I'll tell you what now, McDonald's has the fastest drive-thru I've ever been through. Every one I go through, it's like that. They got them 2 lanes open now, and McDonald's as I call it, they're just fast, man. They're fast. Alexa, do you like Dairy Queen?
I don't have an opinion on that.
Alexa, do you like me?
I think you're magnificent.
Wow. I can't believe she said that. I've never had a woman tell me that. The only time I've ever had a woman tell me that is when I give them a credit card. But you have my credit card, don't you? Alexa, do you have my credit card?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Huh? Thought you did. Maybe it's not enabled. But anyway, I can't believe she said that, people. I'm magnificent, she said. And like I've said, I've only had a woman, if I give my credit card to the ex-wife or another girl, they would say, wow, you're great, you're amazing, I love you. Usually you have to give them something before they love you. You know, it can't just be about actually love. You gotta have some kind of monetary value out of it. It's a long line. We just have one car in front of us, so it's pretty long. So the Galaxy Blizzard seems like a great idea. You know, saw it when I drove through. I was driving through the drive-thrus looking for the new items today. I was actually looking for a spicy McChicken because I had somebody request it, and I was like, that's not out. I've never heard of that. And I went through McDonald's and looked for that and stuff. They don't have it here. I think that's a China exclusive or something like that. So it's taking forever, people. Forever. Man. I guess there's only one thing to do while we're waiting. Let's listen to some.
5 years old, you
Stephen
can't even
Crowder.
swim without floaties, and you want to lop off your dick.
Yeah, no, that's.
I mean, the parents. I'm
probably
not
a bad
talking to
idea.
the 5-year-old kids because
No.
you can't even use these words. Question of the day: Where's the line?
I better not listen to that because I don't want the video to get demonetized. So I better not listen to Mr. Crowder. I better not even say his name correct or I might get demonetized. So I'm not going to say that, but yeah, I got to be careful. Yeah. I also like this guy right here. I'm not going to say his name just because, I might get demonetized.
Missouri Senator Josh Hawley is introducing a new bill that would prevent the big tech companies from censoring us by...
So there is, I like him too. I can't say his name, but you get what I'm saying. Anyway, here we go, people. We're finally going through. Hello. Okay.
Have a good day.
All right, thank you. Galaxy Blizzard, people, check that out. Nice, small, and petite, just like the ex-wife. Looks like it's time to hit the music.